Sometimes you just got to take a couple steps back to get a few steps ahead. That's what we're doing today on my 1997 Honda Prelude. It's got a couple oil leaks, a few things to fix, which we're going to be doing in today's video. There's a few interior pieces as well, which have been missing for quite some time. So I just want to get the car up to spec, something I enjoy driving around every day. Nothing crazy, no big mods, that'll come in time. So yeah, enjoy. So I've owned this car for about 10 months now. Yeah, it's been great, but parts are really hard to find. You kind of got to know people who have them. So that's why I've just been taking my time with it. I haven't been doing too much. Today though, today we are working in this section here. So we're just going to be replacing a couple of seals on the distributor, and then we've got the VTEC solenoid over here. This is a very common area which leaks on these Preludes, and the oil's just been dripping down onto the gearbox and onto the floor. So yeah, engine bay not up to spec. It needs a lot of work, but that'll all come in time. In future videos we'll make this tidy, we'll clean it up, make it nice. I think the only thing I have done is pretty much paint that, because that was an absolute mess. So we've got the intake pipe, we've got the crossbar out, just gives us a bit more space to work within the engine bay. Yeah, we can start removing the distributor cap. Yeah, I didn't realize when buying this car how many different wires, vacuum tubes there were. So it's quite a lot in the way there, and you can see, yeah, engine bay could do with some work. Some open copper wires here. There's a pretty bad one over there. But yeah, we'll get to that in time. So just to show you the kind of oil leak we're facing here, we've even got oil in some of these plugs, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. You can see it's kind of spewing out. I'm pretty sure either when it hits VTEC, then we've got quite a lot of oil that spews out. Might even be this cam cap seal here, which I don't exactly want to do, but do have a replacement for it. And you can see it's just all that oil which eventually runs down the gearbox. There's all the oil which travels through it. Give a better look at it just now, but yeah, the filter doesn't look too bad. Yeah, not too sure if this is actually where the leak's coming from. Could still be that cam cap, but we're gonna replace it anyway. So this is the replacement seal. Just need to swap this filter around. So if we can just pop this off like that, and then we can swap it around and put it back in. This is the second oil seal, which is just on the cap of the VTEC solenoid. So we'll just be replacing this one as well. So this is the cam seal plug which we're replacing. I just had to take this off, which covers the cam itself, so that was a bit of a struggle. Yeah, let's have a look here. So that's where it would be leaking down, right there. So yeah, clean it up, get a new seal in, and put it all back together. This is the new seal I got from Honda, which yeah, it goes there. So I took the VTEC solenoid off, that seal's been replaced. I've also replaced the cam seal, so that involved taking off the whole valve cover. Yeah, that was a bit of a job, took a bit longer than I expected. Put all that back on with the new cam seal, and then I can show you the, this is the VTEC solenoid. This is just sitting here, it's got the new seal. And what I'm going to do now is just give this area a bit of a clean. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. There's a lot of oil down there, so I'm just going to take some parts cleaner, give it a bit of a clean, wipe it down. This is the new seal right here. Yeah, and then what we have left after that is just the distributor. We're going to take this cap off, replace the seal, and then we have to take off the full distributor, and there's a small seal on the inside there. So we check this, we've got quite a bit of oil actually sitting at the bottom. And then closer into the distributor section, you can see there's quite a bit of oil right at the bottom. So that's why we're replacing the seal. So I've taken off the distributor, actually quite a bit of oil that came out there, and gonna clean it up now. If you have a look here, this is the inside of the distributor, and one thing is you do not want to move those two pins, so yeah, keep that where it's at. And then the little o-ring is on the side of that, which we can swap out, an OEM replacement. So I've done all the seals on that side of the block, distributor, VTEC solenoid, and the cam cap seal. I did a bunch of cleaning as best as I could just to try and get a lot of the grime and the oil away. Also did have to use a bit of water, so yeah, hopefully the car starts up when I give it a turn over, and let's see. It ain't starting. So the reason why it wasn't starting is because, well, I left the coil pack plug unplugged, so that was a bit of an oversight. So it's gonna give it another go. So I ended up taking the car for a test drive last night. I left it overnight for a while in the garage, and then took it for another drive this morning. We've got no more oil leaks on the side that I worked on, so that's great. That issue seems to be resolved. And then today we're going to be putting in those interior pieces which I mentioned. So we've got the back seat clip, which is just missing, and then we've got this coin holder, which has also been missing for quite a while. I got this from another 5th gen Prelude, which has been parted out, and then a driver's side door seal.
I'm really learning how to cook on the fry, eh?
So I'm just working on getting this coin holder in. It turns out we've already got the backing, which is this part. It just doesn't have the lid, essentially. So the backing is already in here, and to get this out, we're going to need to take off this. So just pop this out, and then we can take these plugs out, and then there's a couple screws, 2 screws back here, which is basically these 2, which we're going to have to remove on this one. So I think that pretty much wraps up everything that we're doing on the car in this video. Fixed a couple oil leaks, there are a few missing interior pieces that I put back in, just kind of, you know, piecing the car together. It's a project car, so I got some cool things planned for it in future videos, so give it a like. I'm sure there'll be more videos to follow. And yeah, I think I have a shoot planned with this car in a couple days, so I'm gonna roll some of that footage now. So my friend Simon out here taking some photos of the Prelude.
Hey, you're speaking of the camera.
Yeah.
Ow.
Getting some lekker shots in the sunset. Yeah.
This is a result of Facebook Marketplace and me sending him too many links. And then he bought himself a like an athlone special, yeah.
It's a proper special. Yes. Sheesh. Bro's got the concentration face on.
Bring the car around.
So Simon's just found a new angle here. Just gonna give this one a go. Looks very nice. Kind of just got the yellow beams going up, matching the calipers, fog lights. Yeah, you can see them there trying to get the angle. Sick. It's looking good.